The fourth industrial revolution is just around the corner, and more companies are implementing digital solutions in their production. Unfortunately, cybersecurity is often overlooked, which opens the door for cyber attacks and, in many cases, results in severe damages for manufacturing companies. In this video, you will learn how you can improve your production with concepts from the fourth industrial revolution and state-of-the-art security concepts. The reliance on cyber-physical systems is increasing rapidly in all industrial sectors. Especially in production, Industry 4.0 plays a decisive role. Flexibility, efficiency, and the increasing connectivity of data systems are key challenges to benefit from the continuous disruption of digital businesses. Many companies are confronted with similar challenges. For example, the lack of expertise when implementing and using application-specific technologies, or the hesitation to make operational adjustments that are required for Industry 4.0 solutions. One of our team's core competencies lies precisely in addressing these challenges. Exploring exciting trends allows us to gain diverse insights into a wide range of emerging technology trends. In contrast to the enormous potential of connected network production through Industry 4.0 technologies, security issues represent an obstacle for manufacturing companies. For this reason, companies are often afraid to actively tackle the transition towards Industry 4.0. Consequently, Fraunhofer IPT and Fraunhofer AISEC have joined forces and developed the Industry 4.0 and IT Security Audit to help companies harness the potential of Industry 4.0 while making sure that professional IT security is accounted for. The Industry 4.0 and IT Security Audit consists of 7 blocks. Your audit journey starts with a free-of-charge site visit by the audit team to perform the quick scan. This initial point of contact and engagement allows the team to develop an overview of your goals and to build the foundations for the audit. The goal of the current state analysis in Block 2 is to see the level of infrastructure and architecture that can either be utilized or improved upon to reach the objectives of the management team through your Industry 4.0 transition. Additionally, we conduct security risk assessments to elicit security requirements for your manufacturing environment. This ensures that appropriate security countermeasures are applied when they are needed in a later step. In the third block, the goal is to derive your position in the competitive market and to identify gaps from the specifically defined vision. Furthermore, we propose security countermeasures to fulfill the security requirements determined in the risk assessment. Based on the identified gaps in terms of Industry 4.0 and security, we develop a company-specific roadmap to reach the envisioned Industry 4.0 and security level in Block 4. In Block 5, we assist with the implementation of the roadmap and, if needed, contact suitable external partners. Next, we help you acquire the knowledge to be able to analyze the Industry 4.0 and IT security readiness for future processes. Lastly, we perform an expert review of your developed Industry 4.0 and security processes and your long-term development. If you're interested, feel free to contact us and get in touch with our experts.